Ma'am, can we go through the paper, ma'am?
We go through the paper. Already we discussed, right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we didn't discuss.
Sunday test paper was not discussed in the class.
No, ma'am. After the Sunday's test, we are having class now only, right?
Okay, this is the first class. What is today, children? Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Thought I was done. The question paper discussion was done. It's very simple questions. Any difficulties, children? There?
Ma'am, in the last few questions, I have doubt.
Okay. Okay. We'll see.
Ma'am,
Very
can we discuss just, ma'am?
Okay. We'll see it once. Then. Thought I should give very simple because simple makes you go fast.
Yeah, ma'am, the test is
Very good. Akshit scored full. Harini, very good. Congratulations, dear Akshit Sahu.
Ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Harini and Ayesha Fatima scores 48.
Ma'am, I got only one incorrect.
One mistake. I think they both are the same. And Ritvik Reddy and Santosh. Congratulations, dear Santosh and Ritvik Reddy. And even Harini and Ayesha Fatima too. Very good. Keep it up. Good work.
Thank you.
Please solve those mistakes where you are doing. Ahalya too. Yes, next Ahalya and Gohit scored the same. Kunal Shiva Pranav and Bhargav Ram. Naga Chaitanya scored 32. Vilohit and Ishan.
Ma'am, you can check my paper. I got only one question wrong, but I was not able to finish all of them because they didn't load, ma'am, for some reason.
Okay.
It's submitted early. It's submitted early, ma'am.
Okay. That's okay. I'll check that part. But see, my query is in the classroom, some students are so extraordinarily good, and I'm not. What is the reason? I don't know why the students are scored very less in the test, because they're not taking us serious. Please try to. You're supposed to take serious.
Ma'am, who is this Jayant and all, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, share the link in WhatsApp, ma'am.
Chaitanya.
Ma'am, share the link in WhatsApp.
Below it, okay. I will just 1 minute preview test. I can see.
Yeah, no, ma'am.
Some are so good in the classroom, but coming to the test part, they are not taking as serious, children, because each and every drop of drops only makes you ocean. Ocean is not coming, because if you are planning and doing such a wonderful foundation classes, you are doing very honestly and very perfectly systematically. Definitely, it will one day you are going to test the results. Because today 10th class board exam, I saw very particularly students who practiced very well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Harini Gubba, ma'am. I got 18 marks, ma'am, because of I have submitted, ma'am. After few questions, I directly kept to submit, ma'am.
Okay.
That's what I got 18.
Okay. That's okay. That's common mistakes as a humans we can do, children. Please be serious. When any test was conducted, behind that there was a lot of hard work by the teacher and everything. You saw?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the 9th question wrong, ma'am. Can we discuss it?
Yeah, sure. 9th one.
Ma'am, Shivaprana, I got last 4 questions wrong.
Okay. In the expression 3m plus 8, the number 3 is called, you know very well, children, 3
Yes,
is
ma'am,
called
it's
a constant.
Coefficient. Ma'am, coefficient.
Sorry, 8 is
Coefficient.
called, 8 is
No.
called constant, 3 is called m variable. What is-
Coefficient.
Yes, sir. Numerical factor of any
coefficient.
variable is nothing but coefficient, children. Coefficient, it's a coefficient. Coefficient. There are two terms.
Ma'am, can we
Two terms.
discuss
One
from
is
first
variable term, one is constant term. Constant term is 8. Variable term was 3m. 3 multiplied with m. M factor. Factor of, yes. Yes, 3 is nothing but coefficient. 3 is nothing but coefficient. Option C was correct.
Ma'am, but isn't 3 the constant also?
No, constant is 8. We should not take as a constant this because it's a factor of m. Factor of m is nothing but always a coefficient.
Okay, ma'am.
Of course, it is constant, but in this case, particularly in this expression case, we always uses the word as coefficient.
Okay,
Ma'am, can we
you.
discuss 18th one?
18th one. 1 minute.
Can we discuss? Yes, ma'am. 18th. Ma'am, can we discuss from first, ma'am, all?
The first from first is easy.
Ma'am,
right?
first one are easy, ma'am.
2/3 of 5x plus 6 is nothing but 34. 2/3 of
Answer
No,
is
ma'am,
45,
the
ma'am.
answer is 9 for that.
2/3 of 5x plus what is the number, children? 2/3 of 5x plus 6.
Ma'am, 2/3 of 5x plus 6, yes.
Is nothing but gives what
Is
is
equal
the-
to 34.
Yeah, it's 34. Very simple, children. It's a distributive property. Instead of number here, fraction is there. Nothing new. It's 2/3 multiplied with 5x plus 2/3 multiplied with 6 gives you 34. Now 2/3 of 5x means you can just go with the multiplication, children. This belongs to numerator. Why? Because nothing was not there. Means
10x by
10x by 3 is plus
plus
3 ones are 3.
2 we get. So 4
4 is nothing but 34.
equal to 34.
Yes, so 10x by
Means 10x by 3 equal to 34 minus 4. Which equal to 30.
minus 4 is
30.
10 by 3 x. 10 by 3, I want only x value. If I want this part will be reciprocal, should be happened. If you move to other side,
Yes,
it's
so,
reciprocal.
30 into 3 by 10.
3 by 10. You can cancel here. 10 ones are 10.
Yeah, 3. So 9. X equal to 9.
Hope you understood, children. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in that?
Will you start a new chapter, ma'am?
Yes, we are going with the concepts, the next concept. Any doubt in the test? Any other doubts, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Pranav, Shiv Pranav, something you're asking.
Ma'am,
What
I
is the doubt?
didn't understand the 18th one, ma'am.
Ma'am, last 4 questions.
1 minute. Someone is raising the hand here, not getting the 18th one. Yes, where is your doubt, Nana?
I think Ritvik.
Yes, where is your doubt? Aisha? Is it Aisha?
Ma'am, here I got
No, ma'am.
45, ma'am, answer.
Who have doubt in 18th bit not understood?
Ritvik, I think.
Ma'am, Ritvik.
Ritvik, ma'am, and here I got
What
as
happened
8.
nowadays to you, Ritvik? Okay, anyway, I will help you once again. Just a minute. Two-thirds of 5x plus 6. 2/3 of 5x plus 6 is nothing but 34. A multiplied A bracket B plus C is nothing but what is the value, children? It's distributive property. A into B plus A into C. Yes or no? Ritvik, now you should multiply bracket outside number should be distributed for both the numbers inside the bracket into 5x. First one is over. Then bracket outside number was 2/3. Second number inside the bracket was 6. So it's nothing but 34. Nothing but 34. Here we can see this is nothing was there means it is belongs to numerator. So 5 2s are 10.
So it is 10x by 3, ma'am, and plus 12 by, sorry, 4 by 1.
4 is nothing but 34.
34. Ma'am, and 4
Plus
will
4 if
go
you
to that side,
transpose,
ma'am. So it will
plus
become
becomes
30.
minus, minus becomes plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplication
10x by
becomes
3
division.
equals to 30, ma'am.
It becomes multiplication. 10x by 3 as it is, I'm writing left side. And 34 minus 4, which is
30, ma'am.
I want a 10 by 3. This is fraction multiplied with variable. I want only x value. If you transpose this 10 by 3 to other side, what happened, children? It's come under division, right?
It happens to 3.
X
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to
Division.
30
Ma'am,
divided
here I
by
have a doubt, ma'am.
30
There
10
there
by
are 10
3. 10 by
10x.
3. Yes. Children, if you see, division we are unable to do, so that we need to use reciprocal. Division become multiplication. Reciprocal of this is nothing but 3 by 10. So nothing was not there in the denominator. Make it 10 ones are 10, 3s are 30. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 by 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 only. It's 9 by 1 is 9. Any doubt here? Because it is multiplied 10 multiplied 10 by 3 into x. So multiplication becomes what happened if you send to right side. It becomes division. So division 10 by 3 makes reciprocal of multiplication of reciprocal 3 by 10. So you can cancel 10 ones are 10 threes are 3 into 3 was 9. Any doubt, children? Hope you understood. Someone has said doubt. Yes or no?
It's
Did
clear,
not
ma'am.
get voice from the child who is asking.
Ma'am, he's speaking, but its voice is very low.
Yeah.
Understood, ma'am.
Next thing was, children, we are going with some other exercise, some new topic. Any other doubts you have, children? Any other doubts in test you have?
Can you once open that question
Ma'am,
paper?
last question I have, ma'am. Shiva Prabhu.
Okay, 1 minute. Just
Vale.
children, okay. You see with question number, any other question particularly you have doubt?
వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది
Any question? Any particular question you have doubt, children? I
Ma'am,
did
can you
not-
scroll up?
Okay.
లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది
1 minute.
లెఫ్ట్
Yes, ma'am, this one, 22. Can you explain?
22 was doubt by the student. Okay. 2x minus 1 by 2 is 3. 2x minus 1 by 2 is 3. 2x minus 1 by 2 is
3.
yeah, minus if you transpose to other side, what happened, ma'am? It becomes plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but 3 plus 1 by 2 means 3.5. 3.5 means 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 and 7 by 2. So 2x is nothing but 7 by 2. I want only the value of x. X is multiplied with 2. If you transpose to other side, it becomes
Multiplication.
division.
Yes, ma'am,
It
division.
comes under division.
2 which is 4
So 7 by this you can do like a fractions also, children. I'm not going with a tough method. I'm just using a whole part with a half. 3.5 makes you mixed number. If I mixed number, I supposed to convert as improper fractions I'm getting. Even you can go with ma'am, I don't know how I supposed to. You can take LCM of 1 and 2 was 2. So to make as like fractions, first fraction multiply with the 2 and the second fraction as it is you can keep. This is 3 2s are is nothing but 6 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It makes you 7 by 2. Ultimately, you are getting the same answer with after many steps. You can go directly when time saver is more important for us. That's why we can use the different methods to solve the equation. Yes, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then how do we got 7, ma'am?
7 by 2.
7 by 2, ma'am. 7. This is 3 multiplied with 2. Why we are making as a like fractions? So 3 by 1 is there. Our LCM denominator LCM is 2. To make as 1 as 2 means what changes I should do for the fraction? I should multiply the fraction with 2. So 3 2s are 6 by 2. So my first fraction was 6 by 2 and other I should add with a half. 6 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 6 plus 1. is nothing but 7/2. This is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, here it was 3/1 plus 1/2. So you did the mixed fraction and converted into an improper fraction.
Exactly,
So,
my dear. This is one rule. That's why basics are very important. I use it always, my children. Why many questions on basics was given.
so ma'am,
3
if
plus 1/2 is 3/3 1/2. 7 plus 4/2 is nothing. 7 plus 4/5 is nothing but 7 4/5. Any whole number, any number plus fraction. Suppose the proper fraction is nothing but mixed number. You can write directly. This is a basic.
okay, ma'am, if there is a denominator under 3, so we cannot use this, right?
No, we should not use, because I said particularly whole number added with a proper fraction makes you directly, we can write it as mixed number, whole number, proper fraction.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
can write directly. This is one rule in basics of your fractions while you are writing your lower classes. Any other doubts, children? Any other doubts? Please let me know.
Ma'am, at which time you start the class?
What is the question number, Nana?
Ma'am, at which time we start the class?
At which time I did the class?
Yeah, ma'am, at start yourself.
No, it starts by 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, didn't you say 6?
Yes.
Nothing, ma'am.
Any issue?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am? No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Any other doubts, children? Pranav, Shiva
Ma'am,
Pranav.
last one I didn't understood, ma'am.
Shiva Pranav, 25th. The number of terms in 4p square q minus 3pq square
Many
plus
terms is
5.
there.
I said many times terms will be separated with the operands plus and minus. So how many terms are there here? 4p square q is one term. 3pq square is another term, and 5 is, there are 3 terms here. Understood, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, you see, this is a basic question. 4p square q, and anything you can take as minus 3 pq square and plus 5 or plus something. Here,
Ma'am, 3 terms.
yeah, this is one term. This is another term. This is, yeah. This is first, second, 3 terms. Total, how many terms we have?
Ma'am, 3 terms.
3 terms. So children, always terms will be separated with
Negative or positive signs.
very good, plus or minus. Any other particular doubt in that test paper?
Ma'am, can you explain this 23?
23 ma?
Yes, ma'am.
0 point, very good question actually it was. So wise question and very good question. There are many ways to solve this. You can apply decimal trick, or you can apply a fractional form trick too here to solve this. Okay. The part was 0.25 multiplied with 4x minus 5. 0.25 multiplied with
4x minus 5
minus 5 is nothing but 0.75x
plus 8.
plus 8 kadamma.
Yes, ma'am, plus 8.
Plus 8, right. Next, you see children here, we are common word, common things, fractions. 0.25 is nothing but 1/4. 0.50 is nothing but half. 0.75 is nothing but 3/4. These are the different things, basic things we need to remember. Once again we need to collect. This is class 6. We are teaching this part. Now instead of 0.25, what fraction I can use?
1/4.
Yes, 1/4. If I use 1/4 here, 1/4 multiplied with 4x minus 5. And here 0.75, what fraction I can use? 3/4.
3/4.
Yes. Now I am just distributive property, children. A multiplied with B plus C or B minus C is nothing but A multiplied with B and A multiplied with C. Using bracket, outside number should be distributed both the numbers inside the bracket. 1 by 4 into 4x minus 1 by 4 into 5. Its right side as it is, I'm writing, children, 3 by 4x plus 8. Now I'm just simplifying the part of the things here. 4 ones are will be cancelled. So here everything was cancelled, only x is left in this. And here 5 ones are 1 into 5. If I multiply numerators, 1 into 5 was 5. Denominators 4 into 1 was 4. It's nothing but 3 by 4 x plus 8. See here, I always use this variables should always take to the left, and where numbers should be constant should be taken right side. So this is x minus 3 by 4x is nothing but 8 plus 5 by 4. Just now I said.
Answer said, sir.
Sorry, it's left to right is supposed to be. Now what happens, children? You can see here. This is like terms. I can take x as a common. Then 1 minus 3 by 4. I can write this part. Then this part should be 8 plus 5 by 4. It's 5 by 4 is not a proper fraction, children. What type of fraction 5 by 4?
Improper.
Improper fraction.
Ma'am, the answer is
There are
37.
many ways, children. You can go directly with like just before we did 1 and 4 LCM as you can anything you can take your wish. And here too same thing. I am applying. So 1 and 4 LCM on left side was 4. I should multiply first fraction 4, and the second fraction as it is I am writing 3 by 4. And here to LCM of 1 and 4 was 4, so first fraction with 4 and the second fraction as it is I can write to make my like fractions. Now once it is over x bracket 4, this is 4 minus 4 by
4 minus 3 by 4.
Yes. No need, children. Once you are thorough, no need to do everything. 8 4s are 32 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now both are like fractions. I can subtract the numerators 4 minus 3 by 4. And here 32 plus 5 by 5 by 4. If I 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 4 into x. This is the product of both 1 by 4x. Here 32 plus 5. 32 plus 5, how much, children?
37.
37. 7 by 4. I was only value of x. I don't want the 1 by 4. So I just make this 1 by 4 to other side. What happens? 3 by 4 by 4. Multiplication becomes division 1 by 4.
Ma'am, 37 by 4 we should write, ma'am.
Sorry, 37. 37 by 4 multiplied with 4 by 1 cross multiply. X value is 37.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
This is one way, children. Or else, ma'am, I don't know this 1 by 4 as this 2.5 and 0.75 as 3 by 4 means you can go with the normal multiplication of your.
Yes, ma'am. Or else simply 0.25 into 4x becomes
1. Yes, very good. That's why I'm telling children, if you are going practicing with different ideas.
Yes, ma'am. 1x and 10. 1x and 10.
4 quarters makes you 1 whole. Like that, if you remember those things, the basic concepts, it's more easier than. Okay. And any other particular questions, children? Please tell me, these are basic questions. If you are good at basics, we can go with that. Any doubt? Construct linear equation for following statement.
No doubt, ma'am.
Shall we move ahead to the new topic, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All are okay means put raise your hand so that I can start new topic. If one is not raise the hand also, I cannot start the new topic. I can see there are.
Ma'am, 1624th sum.
Ma'am, but we didn't have application part, right?
Applications.
Application questions. Ma'am.
We will go, children. The chapter is not completed. There are many things we need to discuss. She is telling new topic. There are. What is the question number, Nana? Ahalya, Sri Goda,
Ma'am, 24.
Below it or not? Question number 24.
Yeah, ma'am, 24.
Okay, 1 minute. 10 participants raise the hand, the rest all are sleeping. 24 was okay. 4 divided by 9, division, okay, minus 8 by 15. 4 by 9 divided by question mark, it's nothing but minus 8 by 15.
15.
You see, children, this unknown part I am supposed to find out. This is under division, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Suppose if you take unknown thing as x, so 4 divided by 9 divide with x is nothing but minus 8 by 15. What you should do, children? I want a division. So
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, we can take the 4 by 9 to the
Ma'am, 4
other
by 9
side.
divided by negative 8 by 15
yes, I want x value. I don't want.
equals to x, ma'am. 4 by 9 divided by negative 8 over 15 equals to x.
Yeah, that's why. That's why 4 by 9 divided by x is negative 8 by 15. If I want, how I supposed to do? I don't
Ma'am, we
know
can
the
do it
division
x
part.
is equal
You should
to
make
4
as a
by 9
reciprocal. Why
into
1 by x? 1 by x is nothing but negative 8 by 15.
Negative 8 by 15.
Yes, yes, children, the same thing you can now, it's very easy for you, your task was.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do this process by taking the 4 by 9 into RHS?
Yes, that part also, but division symbol, multiplication is there means you can do, but here division becomes multiplication, right?
Ma'am, if division becomes multiplication, it's
Very simple, you can take directly as 4 by 9.
Okay, ma'am.
That is also one very good. This is also the technique, but actually processor, if you want a linear equation processor, if you want to do, you can go this part of things. You can go with cross multiplication. 4 multiplied with 15 is nothing but minus 8 into 9x. So here I want only the x value, rest of the things I don't want. So x is 4 into 15 by negative 8 into 9. Same thing we are getting.
Yeah.
For 1s are 4 2s are 3 3s are 3 5s are 15. So it's nothing but negative 5 by 6. Same thing you are getting here too. Please check it once. Negative 8 by 15 multiplied with 4 by 9. So here any, I think is the same answer.
Yes, ma'am, same answer.
No, how it is same? No, it's not same. Where is the lag here? Very good question. 1 by 1 minute, children. It's 1 minute. There was wonderful.
32 by 135.
No. Why? Because why it is not equating? 1 minute. I'll let you know. 4 by 9 divided by x. So if you go with procedure 4 by 9 division with unknown number, we don't know. It's nothing but a negative 8 by 15. This was our condition. So 4 by 9 was under x was, so actually procedure division we are unable to do directly. That's why we are taking as reciprocal, children. So this is x if I'm taking. Reciprocal of x is nothing but 1 by x. It's negative. This is only the procedure you're supposed to do. If you go with that, you may get all, children.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do this is actually linear equations how we are solving the standard method you're supposed to do.
So, ma'am, 4 by 9 into minus 8 by 15 is the wrong
one thing
method.
you should do here. One thing how means, so because it is division, of course it is multiplication, we are making other side reciprocal. If it is division means, it is division means, if you send to other side, what happens?
Multiplication.
No, generally multiplication, addition, that's why addition becomes multiplication, subtraction becomes addition, and multiplication becomes division, division
Becomes multiplication.
But here division operate 4 by 9, under division the value was there. X value is under division, right? You need to find
Okay,
the
so we cannot use multiplication
denominator,
in this
it's not
method.
numerator. That's why it is not happening here.
Okay, ma'am.
4 by 9, we need to go with as usual procedure only. We are not going to do like if it is division means multiplication will happen. So if multiplication will happen means Because since it is, you need to get a reciprocal. If you send to other side, it is reciprocal and multiplication. Then only you will get the correct answer. Directly, you won't get correct answer, children. If you go directly, you may definitely do the mistake in this question. Who is asking this question was really wonderful. Good question asked by the child. Yes, who is the question was asked the question by the child?
Ma'am, Aisha.
No, I didn't ask this question, ma'am. This 9 by no someone other.
Yeah, I think
Exam only, ma'am.
Akshit was did everything correct. The rest all the students are making 1 or 2 mistakes. Akshit Sahu is there in the class.
Ma'am, my laptop is running out of charge. Can you give me 5 minutes? I need to put it.
Okay, Akshit. And shall we start our topic, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, there are simple equations you have. There are many complex equations we are supposed to do. There are, I will, we are going with this part of questions only.
But there is only 15 minutes left, ma'am.
Don't worry, no 15 minutes. 15 minutes also.
Ma'am, give
Half
quizzes
an
on
hour.
these 15 minutes.
Quizzes you want to do? No, children,
Yes,
class should be
Ma'am,
some complex equations we should practice. Then I will give. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 15 minutes are there. No, ma'am, that's why.
That's why
Half an hour, right?
every linear equation in 2 variables has how many solutions? I said the first day. Linear equation with 1 variable has 1 solution.
linear equation with 2 variables has 2 solutions.
2
Very good.
solutions.
1 solution. 2 solutions. Good. Next, if 1 by 2 minus x is a half, 1 by 2 minus x is a half, then what is the value of x?
Ma'am,
Yes, come on,
0
please.
minus 1x, 1 by 2.
Minus
No, ma'am,
x is
0.
1 by 2
Ma'am, 0, ma'am, 0.
Very good. Who said 0?
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav.
Very good,
Yes, ma'am,
Pranav.
it's
Very good.
0.
Very quick responded by the child. Very good. X value is 0 here. And here one more thing. You see the question number 3, children. Solution of the equation p plus 1 by 5 is nothing but a 3 bracket. This is very, very important question too. I said many times, if anywhere minus is happened, you just replace with alternate. Okay, we'll go with some other children. P plus 1 by 5. Question number 3, you see, children.
Ma'am, the answer for this is 21 by 13.
21 by
13.
Did we solve the question right now or else earlier you was done?
No, ma'am, I just did it.
You just very good. So fast you are doing. Very good. Keep it up. Good work. Good. P plus 5 by 5. Let me check whether you are doing correct or not. What is the question number 3, children? P plus 5 by 5.
No, ma'am, it's p plus 1 by 5.
P plus 1 by 5 is nothing but a negative 3 into
3, negative 3. Bracket open p plus p minus 1.
P minus 1 divided by 10 plus
10 plus 2.
10 plus
2. Yes.
Very simple, children. Just this negative term completely I'm taking to LHS part. So P plus 1 by 5 plus P bracket P minus 1 by 10 and is nothing plus 2 plus 2. No, equal to 2. Equal to 2. Only this part I'm sending to left side and the numerical part. Now LCM for these two 5 and 10 you know very well. What is LCM of 5 and 2, children? 5 and 10. What is LCM of 5 and 10?
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 10, ma'am, 10, ma'am, 10, ma'am, 10, ma'am, 10.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
to
10.
make as my first fraction 10, I should multiply the fraction with 2.
2.
Now my fraction becomes
2 into
bracket
P
P
plus
plus
Ma'am,
1.
Ma'am, shall I share
Ma'am,
it?
you can open the bracket and write
Ma'am,
2p
That we
plus
will do.
1.
That we will do. We will do in next step immediately.
Ma'am, shall I share a trick in C,
Yes,
ma'am?
please, please, ma'am, please.
Ma'am, if two numbers are there and one number has means one number is multiplicative factor of another number, means the bigger number would be
Very
the
good,
LCM.
very good. The rule for LCM, very good. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but sometimes when the multiples are of one number, so it's not every time the larger
Always
number.
it is true, ma. It is one of the rule to find it. So not only three.
Ma'am, then LCM of 6 and 8, how it can be 24?
This is not,
Yeah, ma'am,
not
that's what I'm
factor. The
saying.
6 factor is.
But in 6 table, 8 is not a
it 6
factor.
table you will get
Okay.
8?
But
Yeah.
in 2 tables,
No, is it 6
No,
table?
no, not like that. If we are getting one in one in a one
Number in
member of
another
the
table,
table,
then
then
you can take as a greater number.
Okay.
It is one rule. Children.
Ma'am, if the both denominators are prime numbers, then you have to multiply both of them.
Yeah, there is no prime number should be repeated. If both are prime, that is also one case. Very good. Harini said 3 and 5 are prime numbers. No need of doing directly product as LCM. Good. Very good. This is one more rule. Like that, we need to repeat.
and that one I don't, but I completed this part only on 6 and 8.
This is common denominator as 10 is nothing but 2. Like terms you can add up, children. 2p plus 3p. 2 plus 3, how much, Nana? 2 plus 3 is?
5, ma'am.
5. p minus 1 by 10 equal to
2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is?
minus 1
Minus 1. Is
minus 1 by 10.
2 into 10. Why? Because this is a cross multiplied. If I'm sending other side, it becomes multiplied with 10. So
20.
5p minus 1 is nothing but
Ma'am, 19 by 5.
And 5 equal to 19.
Ma'am, 5p equals to 19.
No, 21. No, minus 1 becomes
21. Yes, ma'am.
21.
So that is 21 by 13 only, right?
yes.
Okay.
So here 5p is nothing but 21. I want p value is 21 by
Equals to 21 divided by 5.
5, right?
Is 4 1 by 5.
Or else, yes, that is also mixed number. Mixed number, if you write 4 5s are 20, 1 by 5, both are correct. Good.
Or else, ma'am, can we write in decimal form, ma'am, to complete it?
That's also true. Very good. That's also true. If you want to write in decimal, there is a question, children. There is a question. The same thing, they are given options as only decimals. That time what we will do, 5 into 2, 5 into 2 into 2. It's nothing but 42 by 10. It's not 4.2 was the decimal answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. That's a different ways of expressing the answer.
But ma'am, like I'm having it out. Why did you multiply it with 2, ma'am?
Here in this case,
To make it 10 so that it will be easier to mark.
because I can.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Suppose like the denominator is 7. How can we do?
Because it is.
Then you have to go with the
decimal place, it was
manual
very
division.
easy, right? To make my decimal points. Some conditions.
Yeah, if there are numbers like 5, 8,
some numbers,
2,
only some
then you
numbers
can
like
multiply.
2, 5, this can be changed. Not all.
Okay, ma'am.
You
Yeah.
can be.
If they cannot be changed, then you have to go in the manual division method.
Yeah, not all the numbers, children. Few numbers like 2, 5. These are the numbers like 20, 50, 25. Denominator also we can.
8.
Yeah, 8. These are some numbers we can do more easily.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Actually, I think the answer should be 21 by 13.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
21 by
13.
How 13?
Anywhere we did mistake, children, please check once.
Wait. How did you get the denominator as 13, Aisha?
Denominator?
As
13.
13 I got, ma'am. Actually, I used the whole different method method. What I did is, ma'am, first I distribute, then find common denominator, then combine factors with common denominator. Then I did multiply the numbers, then add the numbers. Then what I did is subtract 1 by 5 from both sides, then subtract the numbers, then again multiply, subtraction, and multiply all terms by the same value to eliminate fraction denominators, ma'am. So
same answer only you will get, dear. Actually, what you have said is absolutely correct. The same answer only will happen. But anywhere we did mistake, I'm checking. No, but I'm doing correct only. I'm not doing.
Ma'am, and I added 3p to both sides, then combine like terms.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. You can do. There are different ways, children. You can do. This is not only the fixed method to go. What you did, please, can you share where you are doing mistake? I will let you know.
Ma'am, what I did is first I distribute.
How you did, no?
The question was p plus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 3 bracket open p plus 1 bracket close by 10 plus 2. So it was like this. Then what I did is I kept it minus 3p plus 3, ma'am, on this one.
How it is minus 3, Nana? It become plus 3. Why? Because minus of minus. That is the mistake done by the children. That's why I'm using the negative term. If I'm see here what the children common mistake, they will write minus, but it is not minus. It is plus.
Ma'am, I wrote p plus 1 by 5 equal to minus 3p plus 3 by 10 plus 2.
Correct, correct. This step was correct,
yes.
Right?
Then find the common denominator, that is 10.
Okay, 10.
Then p plus 1 by 5 equal to minus 3p plus 3 by 10 plus 10 into 2 by 10.
Yes, correct. That's also correct. Wonderful. You said it's minus 3p plus 3 plus 20 by 20, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now I got p plus 1 by 5 equal to minus 3p plus 3 plus 20 by 10.
So minus 3p plus 23. Yes.
No. Minus 3p plus 3. Okay, yeah, right. 3p plus 23 by 10. Then p plus 1 by
20,
5.
right? Yeah.
Then I got p plus 1 by 5. What I did is p plus 1 by 5. I subtract minus. No, ma'am. What I did is I subtract minus 5 from both sides. Here.
No, we should not. We should not do. Because why? Because this is not a single term. These are two terms here. P plus 5. How you will subtract on both sides?
Ma'am, how did
the 5 came in the... Since it is fractional form, you can go with cross products. That is only the way you can solve here.
Ma'am, how did you wrote 5 by 5?
5 ones are 5 fours are to make
it's
your
1 by 5, right, ma'am? It's not 5 by 5. It's 1 by 5.
What?
Ma'am, you written. Ma'am, you have written 5 by 5. It's 1 by 5.
The question was p plus 1 by 5, ma'am. You wrote p plus 5 by 5.
Yeah, ma'am. In the more 3 steps, you have written 5 by 5.
Here one. Okay, of course. If it is 1 also, we can nothing to worry. 1 on there.
Yeah. So then I subtracted 1 by 5 from both sides.
We are unable to subtract, my dear. We can't subtract here. We can go with only cross multiplication. Cross product should be done here. You can do one thing to make more simple.
Yeah, ma'am, you can do one thing, ma'am. 20 into bracket open p plus 1.
That's why I'm telling the same thing. 20 into p plus 1 is nothing but 5 into minus 3p plus 23. You can solve this and the same answer you will do.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Can I ask?
1 minute, Ritvik. Is it related?
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt, ma'am. Why did why did 1 come up and 5 bracket, or why did that come, ma'am?
Where 20 multiplied with p plus 1, like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are doing cross products now. Now here denominator is 20, right? Without simplifying. After simplifying, you can 1. That's why
Ma'am, if it's a cross product, ma'am, we can do it as 10 bracket p plus
1 minute. We'll come to you. Where is your doubt right now?
Ma'am, my doubt is actually, ma'am, it's actually 10, right? Minus 3. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now 20, if we do cross multiplication, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
20, then what we can do is 20
Yes,
bracket P plus 5.
Oh, yes, correct. P plus 1, 1, 1. This is 1.
Yes, ma'am, P plus 1.
This is
So,
five bracket.
and yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is only. You can do the answer. Please let me know what is the answer. Please solve this. You can.
Ma'am, we can do it as 20 into P and 20 into 1, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
You can
that's
do.
how
I'm
we have
doing-
to
I'm
simplify it.
doing here 20p. Yes, 20p plus 20 is nothing
20.
but 5 3s are minus 15p.
Minus 15p plus
23, 23 5 times.
Ma'am, 115. Ma'am,
23 5 times.
115.
Yes,
ma'am, 115.
115.
115,
Now this, if I take our left side, it becomes 20p.
Yes, ma'am. 20 P plus 15. 35p.
115 minus 20.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So it is nothing but 35p is
35p. Yes, ma'am.
If I
1.5
subtract
minus
it
20.
becomes
95, ma'am.
P is 95 by
Equals to
35.
95 divided by 35.
So I need to reduce how many times? 5 table. 5 sevens are 35. 5 ones are 5. 5
Ma'am, it's 5 actually 90. 5 19s are.
19. Yes. 19 by 5. 7 can be written as?
1 second.
Ma'am, in mixed fraction.
Ma'am, I do not understand, ma'am, like what you are asking.
No, 19 by 7. If you want to write mixed number also, you can write, or else you can read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
that's the final answer, right? P is equal to 7.
19 by 7. Earlier, anything change we got? Any other number we got?
No.
One question only we did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first we got 21 by 5, right?
No, 1 minute. 1 minute. That's why anywhere we used, no, we are doing the same thing. You just see here. Just I'm replacing this term here. 3 multiplied with p minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 2. Here 2p, yes, making as like fractions. I just multiplied with 2p plus 2 divided by 10. Divided by 10. 1 minute. Just to minimize student when they see everything. You see here the 2p plus 2.
See, ma'am, we got 21 by 5.
10, it's multiplied with the 3p minus 3 by 10 is 2. So just both are like fractions. I can combine the 2p plus 3p gives 5p. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 10 is nothing but 2. So 2 into 10. Okay, I just did the cross multiplication. It becomes 20. 5p minus 1 is 20. 5p is nothing but yes, so it is what we are doing is correct. In somewhere you did correct, wrong, children. I think I'm not doing the mistake.
Ma'am, actually, I found my mistake. It's P plus 1 by 5. So what I did is I took P separate and P separate, then plus 1 by 5. I didn't like that, ma'am. The expression.
No, we are doing absolutely correct, children. What I did was absolutely correct. Please check your things where you are doing silly mistakes, children. Please do that. That is also correct. You are taking some other big procedure. That is also correct. Yes. Hope you understood, ma. Any doubt here, children? Particularly any doubt here? But here too, we are doing the same thing, right? Where is the confusion?
Ma'am, we'll do more questions, then we'll understand.
No, this procedure also same. Anywhere if 2 more than 2 means, suppose the BODMAS rule will be.
But sometimes, ma'am, what's happening is we are not like I'm not able to understand what to do cross multiplication.
This rule should be followed, or else
Yes,
your
ma'am,
answer
same with me.
This rule.
Ma'am, like
We
I
are not,
wanted to ask in what condition we should do
yes, ma'am,
cross
can we do
multiplication?
cross multiplication, ma'am? Like I'm not able to understand, ma'am.
Fractional form. Suppose A by B is nothing but C by D. This is the
Okay,
form.
ma'am. If it's in equal form, ma'am, and it has like in fractions.
In equal form, how you are going to do cross products? We can't do, right?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
But ma'am, in the in the multiplication of fractions, we just directly multiply the upper denominators and the denominators, right? We don't do cross multiplication.
In multiplication, AD is nothing but BC.
Okay. Ma'am, which property is this?
This is cross products now, by doing cross multiplication. What is the answer here?
But basically, when we do the the multiplication of fractions, suppose 4 into 1 and 5 into 2 is there. So we directly do 4 into 1 and 5 into 2, right? We don't do 5 into 4 into 2, then 5 into 1.
You can do either way.
No, ma'am, but you said that it should be in a fractional form, right? Like suppose it's 4 by 5.
No, this is balancing thing you are doing, my dear. Suppose what you are telling, ma'am, in this case, can I multiply with both sides 2 and 2? Yes, you can do. This is, you are doing balancing things. I am doing here cross products.
Yes, ma'am, I'm talking about cross products only, ma'am.
So
what I'm saying is
nothing but C by D. Where
yes,
is
ma'am, like
here you can multiply this with by 2 here, right side as well as left side too. Or else only one side also the same. Now why? Because if you cancel this, still ultimately you are getting A by B.
But when do we use this, ma'am, like to multiply?
When do we use means, suppose the same example you can take. One of the numerator was, denominator was 5, another denominator was 10. To make as a like fractions, what I should do? I should multiply this fraction with 2 on both sides to make as like. Now this becomes 10. But your numerator part should be multiplied with the complete expression with 2.
Okay, ma'am. So what you're saying is after this, can we do cross multiplication, ma'am?
In this case is not possible, my dear.
Yes,
somewhere equal to suppose x by 5 was there. Here minus 10.
I actually got confused, ma'am, because plus symbol is there, right? So it becomes the upper product by like that, ma'am, by 10.
No, this is completely addition, my dear. Addition you are making as like things. Then only you can add the things.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm saying. This is different, and the question I asked
is equality sign. Equality sign means you need to equate left side and right side. Then only you can make use of cross.
Ma'am, can you write down one?
Yes,
I will say, ma'am.
Ma'am,
like write 4 by 5.
No, children, my question was particularly in which case you are making such a doubt. Please let me know so that I can help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if you like, if you write 4 by 5 into 2 by 8.
We'll take one question from here only. Suppose you see here.
Okay.
Can we go with this type of questions? Yes or no?
Ma'am, we haven't done the fourth one solution of 0.18.
Fourth question only will.
I think time is up, ma'am.
Still we can do, right?
Who is having such a busy schedule today?
Ritvik.
Who is that person? Have a very busy schedule. Why today he is much restricted with the subject also? Why so, Ritvik? Can I know the reason, my dear?
Ma'am? I have a headache on that side.
Today, okay. You can take relax. Don't feel we are not going to hurt you.
Yes, ma'am.
Relax. Lie your table. Don't worry about the part of things. Health is more important. You see here, fourth question we will see, children. 0.18 multiplied with 5x minus 4. We'll complete this, then we can leave, children. 0.18 multiplied with, what is the inside?
5x minus 4.
5x minus
4.
4. Right side part is, let me go with 1 second. Zero 0.5x plus 0.8. 0.5x plus 0. How much, children?
8.
In this case, you can distribute here. Bracket outside number should be distributed both the numbers inside the bracket. So 0.18 multiplied with 5x, then minus 0.18 multiplied with 4. It's nothing but 0.5x plus 0.8.
8x.
8, only 8.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
8 in 5s are how much, Nana? You know, 8 in 5 times 90.
90.
90. But how
Ma'am,
many,
90 minus
how many decimal places we will get? We need to
ma'am,
get?
2, ma'am.
So 0.90x.
X minus 0.
18 times.
Ma'am, the answer for this is 3.8
Ma'am,
I got.
2, ma'am.
72.
72, ma'am.
So 0.72.
Ma'am, so 72 is equal to 0.5x
Plus 0.8.
8, ma'am.
Now this is nothing but there is no value for this 0. 0.9x minus 0.5x.
Minus 0.5x is equals to 0.8 plus 0.72. So
Okay.
answer is 0.
You can see, children, this is a numerical coefficient you need to subtract.
Yes, ma'am.
0.9.
0.4x. 0.4x is equals to 0.4x is equals to 0.80, ma'am.
This is 0.8 and
80, ma'am.
0.72. Point straight
80, ma'am.
point. You have to keep
0.80.
15, 1.52. 1.5.
Oh, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
X value I want,
1.5.
children, it's multiplied here. You will comes under division. So
So 1.52
to make as
divided
a whole
by
part, I
0.5.
should multiply fourth side with 15. So 15.25.
So answer is 150. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so I think so we can get 40, 40, 80, 80, 30.
Ma'am, I got 3.8 as the answer.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
3.8, ma'am. She's correct. 3.8.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
12 and 3 and 2 will become.
Ma'am, can we convert this into fraction 3?
You can do. You can do 38 by 10.
38.
is still reduced. We can make a
Ma'am, 0.5
and this is
4.
one,
Ma'am, 4
19
by
by
5.
5.
Okay. 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the different ways. So sometimes use your decimal concept, sometimes use your fractional part, sometimes use your different methods so that the concepts will be once again recollected and you can get an idea. So that's about today's session. Any doubts? Please let me know.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Actually, you can leave. If you have any doubt, please stay in the class or else you can leave.
Ma'am, I have.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, Aisha.
Aisha, please.
Yes, ma'am. X plus 2 by 6
Yes.
minus bracket open
Okay.
11 minus x
11 minus x
by 3.
by 3.
Ma'am, don't close the bracket. Actually, it's minus 1 by 4. Then close the bracket. Ma'am, after 11 minus x, don't close the bracket after that. 11 minus x.
Okay, 11 minus x plus any other thing was there?
11 minus x by 3 minus 1 by 4. Then bracket close.
11 minus
by 3
by
3 minus 1 by 4.
Here minus 1 numerator.
Here, ma'am. Here only, ma'am. Don't close the bracket, ma'am.
Here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
1 by 4. 1 by 4. Then bracket close. Equal to 3x minus 4.
Any division part is complete or only for this 11 minus x?
It's, ma'am, it's that only, ma'am. What
Ma'am, then we can do one thing, right? 6 and 3.
Actually, this is easy, ma'am. So
the question is not completed, ma'am. Equal to 3x minus 4 by 9.
3x minus 4 by 9.
Ma'am, it's actually hard, ma'am.
No,
ma'am, take that.
I
Ma'am,
want a little clarification here. My question was 11 minus x minus 1 by 4 complete denominator by 3 or only this part by 3?
This part by 3 only, ma'am.
Ma'am, what happens is I think it's 1 by 4, ma'am. 11 minus x by 3 minus 1 by 4.
But she said,
yes,
oh, ma'am,
the
you should
same
not use
thing,
bracket. You can, that's why I'm asking.
Ma'am, it's the same thing. What have you written?
Ma'am,
It's the
but
same
we
thing,
should
ma'am.
actually use the
But there is
bracket.
no,
right?
there is no meaning if I'm giving like that. So I think
Ma'am, I can show the question, ma'am.
Yeah, please do that. Do that.
Ma'am, can you let me share the screen?
Yeah,
I have it right now.
Ma'am, but actually, ma'am, if we are having separate
But how that 11 minus x by 3, how they can give the question for only numerator, ma'am?
Oh, that's why my question. Let her show what is the 1 minute. I am doing just a minute. She's recording.